Rosenberg, and I'm an attorney with Rosenberg and Rodriguez. Our firm specializes in personal injury law, and today we wanted to talk about renting a car. When renting a car, should you accept or decline the collision damage waiver, also known as optional vehicle protection? If you reside in New York and own a vehicle, it is likely that you should decline the collision damage waiver, since it's likely to be included in your own automobile insurance policy. In New York, it's mandatory for every individual policy insuring 5 vehicles or less to have this rental car insurance policy. That rental coverage includes damage that is caused to the rented vehicle. However, policies insuring certain types of vehicles, such as most types of trucks, are not required to include the rental car coverage. So as a practical matter, before you rent a car, call your insurance company and confirm whether or not your policy includes the rental car policy or the rental car coverage. In addition, many credit cards include this as part of the benefits. So before renting a car, check your credit cards to see if any of those credit cards provide the rental car coverage. Don't be fooled. Don't pay the extra money to the rental company that you do not need to pay. If you have any questions about personal injury law or insurance law, please call Rosenberg and Rodriguez at 212-233-3305. Thank you.